Alright y'all, what's poppin'? Welcome to my channel, Dandylions Maine. Today is going to be actually a Revair blowout video, but before I get into that, I am going to be mixing these two colors to make purple. What is this? Ruby red and aquamarine to get some type of purple look into here, because I do want a purple tint, and then I'm going to blow it out. So I know it's not going to be drastic, but I do want in that lighting to see like the little bit of purple hair. So let's get started. So I noticed that I didn't go over the steps exactly. I just kind of did it to just blow dry my hair. But if you guys want to know, this is what I did. I pretty much used a detangling brush to go through the section of my hair. And I put it in the suction cup thingy. See, that thing just suction up your hair. Now, they said depending on your hair type, you can leave it from as low as 30 seconds to all the way to like a minute or even 90 seconds. It all depends on your hair. My hair, I don't know. Sometimes I count to 30 and then I check on it. And sometimes I pretty much leave it a little bit longer. So you can like see what I'm doing. So I'm like, okay, the ends still kind of look wet. And then I give you guys a close up on how it looks when I'm trying to stretch it out. Oh guys, this takes longer than regular blow drying, but I have no problem with it because I feel like it's low heat, so it's not so direct to the point where you see smoke and stuff like that. So I feel like they don't use that much heat in the Revair, which is great, so you don't have to worry about heat damage. So at this point, you can see how smooth, silky it comes out, and I'm in love with the results, guys. I feel like if I was to run a flat iron through, it would be just so bomb, but I don't know about all that. But that's the results, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other sections now. Apparently Paris ain't like all the noise the Revair makes, so he started like meowing really deep. I knew he was bothered, so I had to let him out. I'm gonna stop talking now, but I know at this scene right here, if you see me kind of going back and forth with the Revair or kind of looking crazy, it kept stopping on me, and then I realized why. They warned us not to use the Revair on extension cords, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna move to the bathroom. I definitely forgot. I'm gonna finish it in the bathroom and then come back to y'all. Okay, so we just came back from outside. We seen how my hair was in the lighting. No, it did not give me a purple tint, but it gave me like this brownish, I don't know, it was like I don't know, you guys seen the video, whatever. So I really wanted the purple tint. I thought it was gonna work, but obviously I gotta bleach my hair. Okay, so hair's in a quick braid. Tomorrow I will be doing perm rods. I wanted to do it on the blowout, so that's why I blow dry my hair. hopefully my hair comes out really nice, because me and perm-rods have a love-hate relationship. It's like I never am able to let it dry. So hopefully that is blown out already, and I'm gonna be using mousse that it'll dry. I'm gonna let it dry for the whole day. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna upload this video first, and then the perm rod video will be next. So bye.